What is going on, guys? It's Noah here with Custom RC Mods. Today we've got the FT Scout here that we just freshly repaired. This is gonna be the first flight after the repair. So I'm really excited to get this thing going. As you can see, we're running a smaller prop because I broke my last prop. We got some more in the mail, but my motor mounting situation actually isn't that good. You can kind of hear this. It doesn't really sound great, but we'll get by with it today at least, I hope. We've got a slight breeze coming from the west, but it's not going to be anything like the past two flight videos I've done on my channel. It's going to be perfectly able in the ability for this Scout. Let's go ahead. All right, the Scout is up, and I'm using full power here. This is interesting. And oh my gosh, it needs a trim really badly. Really badly. I'm getting by with it though. Yeah, these aileron servos are tweaking a lot. It's just, they're twitching. It's not a good flight experience so far. I also do really wish I brought sunglasses. It's a lot brighter than it looks out here. This motor sounds really bad. The prop isn't the right pitch that I'd normally fly on this thing. I'd normally fly a slow fly pitch, like a 9x75. This one is a 9x6. But either way, I think we'll get by with it. We're flying just fine right now. And it does still have a good amount of speed, even though this is about a 5-inch prop, I've estimated. It's very, very twitchy on the left aileron especially. It tends to get into a steep dive of death right there. I don't know what's up with that. Maybe it's the wind. Maybe it's just these servos not being that great. But yeah, I'm pretty much going full power with this thing just because this prop is so small. So that will decrease my flight time. But looks like my aileron is actually flapping around in the wind. I might have a loose servo horn or a control horn that is causing that, but that is awkward. I've never ever seen that before. You can kind of hear it. It's just going back and forth on it. So, I don't know if that's gonna be a long-term issue for this flight or not. Yeah, it's just not having this wind cannot fly smooth at all. So, and my motor just cut out there for a second. You might have just heard that. That is really weird. I don't know. It might have something to do with this receiver. This receiver is a little bit beat up. It's the same kind that we've used on all my planes, including the Arrow, which had all those brownouts. There's a brownout right there, actually. Speaking of, kind of just jinxed it there, I guess. But other than that, this plane does fly remarkably well for the amount of damage that was done in the last crash. Yeah, it's not overly enjoyable though. There's nothing super fun about this plane. I'm more just fighting for control rather than, flying around and having a really good time. Let's go ahead and get up there a little bit so we can test our roll rate. It's okay. Whoa, that was close. Did you see that? You guys, that was coming right at me. Oh my gosh. Whoa, that was... Yeah, it has to do something with that right aileron is twitching back and forth really badly, and I think the servo might be cutting in and out because I'm having some problems controlling it. All right, yeah. For the safety of this plane, I think it's a safe bet just to land it right now, so we don't total it. But we got really, really lucky there. I was able to pull out at the very last second. It was kind of doing a dive of death right at me. So let's go ahead, just glide it down. Just check it out. Whoa! Wow, yeah. So it's this aileron right here, as you can see, is having a big issue. It's just tweaking back and forth, twitching, and it might be the servo issue or just this looseness of this control horn right here. But yeah, I think that's about it for this flight video. I'm glad we got it back down in one piece, but we definitely have a little bit of work to do on here. Let's get a proper prop and remount my motor, as well as investigate this servo and aileron combo on this one right here. And I guess that's it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. This one was just as interesting as the last repaired Arrow video. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.